Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in a Subaru Crosstrek. First, gather your essential tools, including a 17mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have 4 quarts of new 0W20 synthetic oil and a fresh oil filter. Safely lift the front of your vehicle using a jack and secure it with jack stands for stability. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe oil change process. Now let's drain the old oil. Locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan, typically a 17mm bolt. Position your drain pan directly underneath to catch all the used oil. Carefully remove the drain plug, allowing the old oil to flow out completely. This step is crucial for removing contaminants and preparing for fresh lubrication. Be patient and let it drain thoroughly. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter and refill. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter, being mindful of any residual oil. Apply a thin layer of new oil to the gasket of your new filter before installing it hand tight. Finally, pour 4 quarts of fresh 0W20 synthetic oil into the engine's fill port. This ensures optimal engine performance. For the final steps, reinstall the drain plug securely and carefully lower your Subaru from the jack stands. Start the engine and let it run for a minute, then turn it off and check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if necessary. Remember to dispose of your used oil responsibly. Also, for a fresh car interior, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. This completes your oil change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.